It's the great Caribbean chase. India's hunt for fraudster Mehul Choksi rests on what the Dominican court will decide on Wednesday. Currently in jail for allegedly illegally entering Dominica, the fugitive, Diamantaire, will be produced in court at around 6:30 p.m. India time. The Dominican court will decide whether Choksi, wanted in the 13,000 crore PNB fraud, will be deported to India or will he be sent back to Antigua. Sources tell India Today that the Enforcement Directorate will file an application before the Dominican court, detailing Choksi's crime and the grounds for his deportation. India is to prove that Choksi is an Indian citizen who never completed the formalities and paperwork to surrender his Indian citizenship while taking the citizenship of Antigua. To support the claims, Indian authorities have gathered documents including Choksi's Aadhaar, PAN, ration cards, which show that he is still an active Indian citizen. The documents will be submitted before the Dominican court. Sources say that if court permits, the Enforcement Directorate will file this application to convince the court that the man in their custody is a wanted accused since January 2018. And based on the red corner notice by Interpol, he should be deported back to India immediately. The ED officials are also trying to ensure that Choksi's case in Dominica should not get stuck in legalities, else it will be a long wait for India. Choksi, who now carries an Antiguan passport, disappeared mysteriously on May 23rd from Antigua. It is suspected that Choksi went on a romantic getaway with his girlfriend. His lawyer alleges that he was abducted and taken to Dominica as part of a conspiracy. Now all eyes are on the Dominican court. Will India get hold of the fraudster who has been evading the law for 3 years?